Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Chipotle Turkey Club. First thing we got to do is to make the Chipotle mayonnaise. So, into a bowl, we're going to add about a half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of water, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of chipotle powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. If you cannot find chipotle powder, cayenne pepper works just fine. As you can see, I'm cutting up my little lime. Squeeze the juice into it. If you're doing the pre-bottled stuff, about 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And then you just want to give it a whisk and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour before you make the sandwich. All right, let's make the sandwich. All right, now we're going to assemble our sandwich. First, before you do that, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And I'm using some potato bread here. And we're laying down some turkey. You can use whatever turkey you like. And then we're going to be adding some peppered bacon, which is basically just bacon with some pepper on it that I baked in a 300-degree oven until it was done. Again, I think the oven does a better job with bacon than a frying pan does. That's just me, though. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of pepperoni slices. I took those little pieces and sliced them up. And last but not least, we're going to add some cheese to this. I'm going to be using Swiss. And then you just want to pop this in for about 5-10 minutes or until the cheese is ready to go. All right. All right. As you can see here, the sandwich has been in long enough in the oven. Got our cheese nice and melty. Now it's time to finish this sandwich off. These toppings are all optional, but this is what I went with. Couple of slices of tomato, and just a little bit of shreddis, and then just a little bit of black pepper. And again, with the tomatoes, make sure you a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper on them as well. Don't want to have unseasoned tomatoes. That's completely unacceptable. And then we just want to dab some of that chipotle mayonnaise on. And then we're just going to put the other piece on top like that. And that's really it. Get a little cross thing going here. See what it's like on the inside. And that is a Chipotle Turkey Club. And it's done.